Hey there, my name's Keegan. I'm going to show you how to be cute for cheap today. Today we're talking about nails. Guys, look at my ugly nails. Ew. We are going to transform regular nails into amazing, sexy long nails. Okay, let's have a look. Like this. Magic. All right, so it's really quick and simple. Literally, I hate waiting for my nails to dry. I've done my nails so many different ways, but I just don't have the time to sit around and wait for them to dry. And I just love this easy technique. It actually will last you about a week to 2 weeks, as long as you're not scrubbing dishes 24/7 or hanging out at the pool for forever. But I have gone to the pool with these nails. They stay on. You're gonna love them. Let's get into it. Let's go on and head into the bathroom.